Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is our eye video and it is going to be a muted red eye. And that's what we're going for. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but that's the plan. So we're going to get started and we're going to start off with my Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eye Base. I know I look crazy with this red lipstick on and my eyebrows done and no eyes. Crazy. But we're going to fix that. Right here in a minute. It's going to be all better. This just is why I almost never do a partial look. I have to do everything because it's like when you know how it looks with everything, if you don't do everything, you can tell. So, we're going to fix it right now. Alright, have that all blended out. Now I'm going to go in. I am going to be using my NYX Perfect Filter palette, and this palette is Rustic Antique. I don't know if this palette's still available. If it is, I will definitely link it below. If not, you can just find these colors in other palettes. And I'm going to start off with this color right here. I don't know, they don't have names, so it's not the lightest color. The lightest color is a really, really white. So we're going to start off with this one over here. It's more of a nudie color. And then we're just going to put it right over that eye primer that I just put on. Okay, now we're going to go in with, we're going to go into this kind of a nudie color right there. And use that for our transition. Try and tone down some of this shine I just added. I don't know if I can. It might just shine through, but I guess that just means I'm supposed to have a sparkly eye. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and go back into that color I meant to put on my eyelids, which is this one here. And I'm going to try and put that right here just to cover that shiny. This is shiny too. I don't think I did get the wrong one. I'm just crazy. That's okay. It's going to be shiny in the middle. Maybe this is the one that's not shiny. Yeah, the lighter one is. Oh well. Shiny's pretty. Right? And I just want this on the inner third of my lid. I don't want to get it right here because that is where I have that saggy bit. So I'm going to actually go in with a little more of that nudie color I was using for transition and make sure I didn't get any of that shiny stuff on there. So I want that to stay dark and hidden. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush that is not available anymore, but it's just a dome shape, kind of dense brush, and I'm going to go into this right here. This is a shiny red color. It doesn't look, it looks pink. At least it looked red when I put it on my hand. And I'm going to go into the crease and the outer half of my lid. Actually, I think I'm going to go in with this darker red first and then put that shiny over the top. I remember this being darker. This is like my favorite red. And it doesn't seem to be pulling it today. Maybe it's old. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. And call it Vampire Eyes. 'Cause that's what it looks like whenever I do red. Plus the fact that that white's already there, it kind of fades in. Which is always good. There, I love it. Now, let's add a little shine to the top with this shiny red, the one that I was going to do first. We're just going to add some of that in the middle of my lid. I love it. I'm going to take this smaller brush and I'm going to go into the dark red, the matte one, and just put it right up against the lash line on the bottom. And then smoke out the corner a little bit with this. We are just red today, aren't we? Okay, now I'm going to go in with another brush, a smudgy brush. That one will work. And I'm going to go into the transition color and just kind of blend the red on this lower line, lash line. Now, I'm going to go back in, I think, because it's not dark enough in the outer corner. And I'm just going to use this brown color in the palette. See if I can add a little depth to this outer V. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now I'm just going to dust off any fallout. And I'm going to go in with my liner and I'm going to push line. I'm going to use the Gigi Hadid because I still forgot to get some more of the Master Skinny, which the Master Skinny I'm pretty sure is the same formula. So in order to push line, you just put your little finger on your lid and push until your eyelashes turn up. And then you draw between the lashes. And that's all there is to it. So you're putting gel liner between your lashes instead of down in your waterline. Now you're going to take a flat brush and from the top you're going to blend it back and forth. You're just going to go back and forth to get it spread out between your lashes. I like to kind of pull it up a little bit too to make a smudgy liner line. I'm still going to put on liquid liner today, but sometimes I don't, especially when I'm like in a hurry. Then I use this as my liner. But today with this dramatic look, I'm going to go ahead and add a liquid line too. Okay, I'm going to use the Renaissance Flick from Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to make a wing. Okay guys, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, or pop on some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I put my lashes on. That's all I did. These are Ardell Double Wispies. And I did use mascara, which is the Laura Geller Lash Boss. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Make sure you share this on all your social medias with all your friends and family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!